Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-know Chinese phrases for daily life conversations. I will be adding different words to the word 吃 so that you can use it in different forms to express different meanings in your daily life. 吃 means eat. 吃 eat. 吃了 ate. 吃过了 ate already. 已经吃了 already eaten. 吃着 eating. 在吃 eating now. 正在吃 eating now. 还在吃 still eating. 还没吃 have not eaten. 别吃 do not eat. 别吃了 do not eat already. 不吃 not eating or do not want to eat. 不吃了 not eating anymore. 好吃 so tasty. 很好吃 very tasty. 真好吃 really tasty. 太好吃 too tasty. 太好吃了 too tasty already. 都好吃 all or both are also tasty. 比较好吃 tastier or more tasty. 越来越好吃 more and more tasty. 不好吃 not tasty. 不好吃了 no longer tasty or not tasty already. Now is quiz time. When you ate already, what can you say? You can say 吃了，已经吃了 or 吃过了。What do you say when you want to say that you are eating? You can say 在吃，还在吃 or 正在吃。What do you say when you want to tell someone not to eat? You can say 别吃。What do you say if you do not want to eat? You can say 不吃。What do you say if you have not eaten? You can say 还没吃。You can replace the word 吃 with any verb and it will still work. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.